Blue Origin pauses space tourism flights to focus on the moon. Blue Origin halts space tourism to focus on moon missions, leveraging President Trump's lunar exploration initiative. ISIL claims responsibility for Niger airport attack. Military ruler of Niger accuses France, Benin, Ivory Coast of involvement in ISIL claimed Niger airport attack. Travel safety amidst ongoing conflict remains a concern. Camden fire. Travel disruption continues after fire near rail tracks. Disruptions persist in travel following a fire near rail tracks in Camden. Firefighters are working to restore normal service as quickly as possible. Trump orders immediate reopening of commercial airspace over Venezuela. President Trump orders reopening of US-Venezuela commercial airspace, paving way for direct flights. Oil companies are already on the ground assessing potential operations, adjusting imports of processed critical minerals and their derivative products into the United States. The White House. .gov. The White House announces adjustments to the import of critical minerals for U.S. industries, aiming to enhance national security and economic growth. Division I Cabinet adopts new transfer windows in several sports. NCAA.org. NCAA Division I Cabinet introduces new transfer windows in several sports, including basketball, wrestling, ice hockey, and track and field. Niners LB Fred Warner doesn't rule out playing Saturday vs. Seahawks. Just taking it day by day. NFL.com. San Francisco 49ers linebacker Fred Warner remains hopeful about playing against the Seahawks on Saturday, despite an ankle injury. NASA astronauts begin bittersweet medical evacuation from space station. BBC. NASA astronauts initiate medical evacuation from the space station, expected to land off California's coast. Niners TE George Kittle suffers torn Achilles in win over Eagles. NFL.com. San Francisco 49ers George Kittle ruled out for rest of playoffs due to torn Achilles in wild card win over Eagles. Nobel Institute rejects Machado's Peace Prize offer to Trump. Axios. Nobel Institute refuses to transfer Peace Prize to Trump, citing rules against sharing or revoking awards. Ovechkin scores 20 goals for 21st season, second most in NHL history. NHL.com. Capitals Ovechkin scores 20th goal, moving second in NHL history for most seasons with 20-plus goals. Trails Gordie Howe, who reached mark 22 times. Person with measles traveled through Maryland, Virginia last week. Health officials say, WTOP. An individual with measles traveled on trains in Maryland and Virginia last week, according to health officials. Australia social media ban. Meta blocks 550,000 accounts under new law. BBC. Australia implements new social media law to protect children from online harm, resulting in Meta blocking 550,000 accounts. Rams to face Bears in divisional round of playoffs. The Rams gone. Rams set for divisional round clash with Bears in playoffs travel. The NFL journey continues as the Rams head to Chicago. PFF grades. Miami's 10 best players in the Cotton Bowl win over Ohio State 247 sports. Miami Hurricanes dominate Ohio State in Cotton Bowl, securing victory from start to finish. Oregon vs Texas Tech prediction. Picks and odds for today's Orange Bowl CFP quarterfinal game. Covers.com. Red Raiders predicted to upset Oregon in Orange Bowl CFP quarterfinal game on January 1, 2026. Despite rain, 137th Rose Parade to make its way down Colorado Boulevard in Pasadena, ABC 7 Los Angeles. Rain won't dampen the spirit at the 137th Rose Parade in Pasadena, marking its first wet ride in 20 years. UK tourists heading to Portugal issued warning over item they must carry at all times. UK travellers to Portugal now face a new requirement: carrying a mandatory item at all times. Updated travel advice highlights security precautions to ensure safe visits. Stay informed to avoid fines or complications during your trip. Rugby World Cup 2027 schedule. The Rugby World Cup 2027 kicks off with England travelling to Brisbane for their opening match against Tonga. Meanwhile, hosts Australia begin the tournament in Perth, facing Hong Kong. Fans can expect an exciting start to the global rugby spectacle. China to relax travel rules for British visitors. UK says China to loosen travel restrictions for British tourists, coinciding with Sir Keir Starmer's visit to Beijing, marking the first UK PM visit in 8 years.